Welcome back. You can convert the document you're working on from your desktop to a Microsoft Word document. And to do that, you are going to go to the File area and you will then click the Export link. When you get to the Export link, you're going to see an area here that says Create Handouts. You're then going to click Create Handouts and you'll see here that you'll basically be creating handouts in Microsoft Word. And you can choose the format in which your slides will be directed into Microsoft Word in addition to the paste link area. You'll see here that one of the things you can do is you can send this as an outline only document. So for example, if we were to click outline only, we would then click OK. You will then see your entire document written as an outline within Microsoft Word. But once again, that's going to be determined by the formatting that you choose for your handouts to be created. You can also include an image of the slide. You can also include a link to the slides in your new document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.